Hi class, here's another example of graphing an exponential function with a vertical shift downwards. So this one is y equals 8 to the negative x minus 4. So first things first, we know that 8 to the minus x, right? If you think about graphing just 8 to the minus x or 1/8 to the x, we know it's going to go down and to the left like that. Sorry, down to the right. Right, it's the flip across the y-axis of the usual kind of look. And then we know it's going to shift down by 4. So our new horizontal asymptote is going to be y equal to 0 minus 4, which is just y equal to negative 4. Our y-intercept is going to be, again, we said x equal to 0. If I plug in 0 for x, I get y equal to 8 to the negative 0 is still 0, minus 4. And 8 minus 0 is, sorry, not 8 minus 0, 8 to the 0 is 1. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So my y-intercept is 0, negative 3. You might have noticed for a lot of these, the y-intercept is just 1 above the horizontal asymptote, and that's generally true if we don't have any other kind of coefficients or anything happening. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, negative 4. So here's my horizontal asymptote of y equal to negative 4. And here's my y-intercept of 0, negative 3. And we know we're going to come down like this. Oh, pretty good. And then we want to find this point here. So we're going to find that by setting the equation equal to 0, right? To find the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. So I'm going to, let's see, so I'm going to see 8 to the minus x minus 4 equals 0. So then 8 to the minus x equals positive 4. And the whole idea is for each of these, we're always going to write everything as the power of a common base if we can. So 8 and 4 are both powers of 2. So I can write this as 2 to the third to the negative x equals 2 squared. And so then power to a power, we multiply the powers, so I get 2 to the 3 times negative x is negative 3x equals 2 squared. And then the powers have to equal each other if the bases are the same. So negative 3x equals 2, x equals negative 2/3. So this point here is negative 2/3, 0. And you can check that if you're not sure, right? If x is negative 2/3, just to check in case you don't feel super comfortable with that. 8 to the negative 2/3 is 8 to the 2/3, which is 8 to the 1/3 squared. The cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So yeah, 8 to the negative 2/3 is 4, and then 4 minus 4 is 0. So we do in fact get the x-intercept negative 2/3 0. So hopefully these examples help you out.